Okay, so we have got 1.8, 1.02 and 1.231. Okay, so these are unlike decimals, like we discussed about fractions. Okay, to make them like decimals, the number of digits after decimal point should always be same. So what do we see? We see that there are how many digits after decimal point? Here 3, here only 2, and here only 1. So to make them like decimals, pay attention, Sanvi. Pay attention. Don't talk to your parents right now or your friends. Pay attention in the class, right? So what we have to do is make them like decimal. And how do we make them? By putting zeros after the decimal. Okay. So we can write it like 1.800, then 1.020 and 1.231. Okay, then these are like decimals. Okay, otherwise what will happen is, right, now we cannot write 1.008. This already we have discussed in the previous lecture, right? These two are not same. Okay, right everyone? So when adding, when you want to add or subtract decimals, yes, you have to write in your notebook, or you can not write later on, you can write it by watching through your YouTube. Pay attention. Okay, now if I want to add or subtract decimal, I have to make sure that they are like decimals. Okay, in case we want to add or subtract decimals, we must make them like decimals. Okay everyone, so we are going to take the next example, right? Addition, sorry, addition. Okay, so let's take example of addition, where 1.23 plus 1.34. Okay, now this is very important part. Decimal point of one number should always be right below the other number. Okay, the decimal point should be in one line, just like what we do in place values. If I want to add 3234 and I want to add 364, then I write it like this as per the place value, correct? Same way we have to write proper position of decimal points. Okay, so one decimal point should come right below the other decimal, then only addition can be done properly. Now it is simple addition. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. Again decimal point. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, very easy. Yes. Next example we are going to take 1.3 plus 4.65. Now here, this number does not have 2 digits after decimal point. Okay, so what do? We put 0 here. Why? Because this 0 has no significance, it has no importance, it is of no value. Okay, so what do? Now it is simple addition. 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 6, 9, and 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. Okay, yes. All right, one more example. 3.678 plus 0.09. So what do? We have to put 0 here. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 7 is 6. 1 carried over. 6 plus 1, 7. And 3 plus 0 is, okay? Yes, everyone? Come on. These are very easy example. Addition, subtraction of decimal is very easy. Just like addition or subtraction of regular numbers. Only careful you have to be about is the decimal point placement. Okay, it should be right below the above number. That's what takes that's where you need to take care, otherwise it's very easy. Okay, so we are going to do one more example like that, and then we will take up subtraction. Now here in number 4, what we are going to do is 23.708 plus 4.82. So what do? We have to put 0 here. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 7 is 5. 1 carried over. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And 28. Okay? Easy? Yes? These are very easy addition sums. You can do it very quickly. Correct? Come on, do it fast. Come on, do it quick. Yes. Come on. Do it quick. Yes. Come on. Do it fast. Yes, very good. Very good. So, homework for you. Number 5 is homework. 3.678 plus 9.405. Easy one. Number 6, 48.1 plus 3.2008. Okay. Very easy examples. Yes, very good. And one more example, 43 plus 39. This is plus sign, sorry, 39.2. So here it's a whole number. It's a whole number. It's a complete number, right? So what do? Very simply, we put 43.0. Then it's simple addition. It becomes very simple addition. Okay, you can check it out later on, right? When I publish it on YouTube, you can do it. Okay, everyone. Yes, very easy addition sums. Yes, so many students have kept their videos off. Please put your video on. Slok, Manvi, Priyal, Devashri. Come on, everyone. Yes, very good. Devashri. Come on, everyone. Yes, good, good, good. Very good. Okay, all right. Then, yes, very good, Mahir. Good job. Next one we are going to do. Very good. Now we are going to check on subtraction. In subtraction also it is same. It is subtraction. In the subtraction part, it is also same, right? So what do? 3.208 minus sorry 1.199. Okay, so very simple. 3.208 minus 1.199. So we have to borrow, right? From here we will borrow. This becomes 10. So 9 and then again 10. So 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now 3 minus 1 2. Very easy. Yes. Come on. Let's do one more example. See what I have done here is from one simple sum, right? What we are going to do is now, so we have to make them like decimals. So we put 3 zeros, as many zeros as there are in the other number. Okay, after the decimal point, the number of digits after decimal point, you have to keep them same. Then only they will become what? Like decimals, and then only you can perform. So 0 minus 9 not possible. So first we have to borrow from here. 2, 10, 9, again 10, 9, and then 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0. 2 minus 9, not possible. So 4 becomes 3, and this 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9, 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, everyone? Yes? Understood? Very easy sums, right? Only difference is the decimal point. It has to be kept in the same place. Otherwise, it's easy. Come on, do it quick. Yes, Shanvi, pay attention and do it quick. You understood now? Yes? Good. Good job. Very good. Very good. Nirja, are you doing fine? Good. Simple, easy, very easy addition and subtraction sums. Yes? Very good. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So, homework. Some more homework for you. Number 3, right? This you have to do on your own. 2.08 minus 1.999. Number 4, you have to do 14 minus 13.9999. Right? I'm going to give you difficult only, right? As homework. Difficult sums as homework only. You have to do. Okay, Shlok? Come on, keep your video on, beta. Anya, Yog, Manvi Modi. There are 2 Manvi in this class. Why? Manvi, why are you attending with 2 different devices? I request you to leave from 1 device. Okay, please do that, or I'm going to make that happen. Yes, very good. Yes, yes, Gia. 5 examples as homework, and there will be some more. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. All right. Okay, now okay, so yes, done. Homework noted. Yes, easy, very easy example. Okay, now comes multiplication. Okay, next is multiplications. Now this is where it gets interesting. Multiplications. Okay, this is where it gets interesting. Okay, why? Because in multiplication we do the same as what we do for numbers. Say for example, 2.3 into 8. This is first example where we are multiplying decimal with a whole number. Okay, everyone? So 8 3s are 24, 2 carried over, right? 2 carried over. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, that is going to be 18. Okay, easy. Yes, forget the decimal point right now. While doing multiplication, first step, forget the decimal point, then do the multiplication as such. Okay, simple multiplication only. Next step is count the digits after decimal point in the given sum. Okay, in the given sum, count the number of digits after decimal point. Okay, Dhwani, pay attention. How many digits are there here? Only 1. Yes, only 1. Correct, everyone? There is only 1 digit. So we count from left. That is from left. So 1 digit is 4. We put the decimal point. We put the decimal point before the last digit. Okay? Yes? Right, everyone? Yes, Mahir? That is the correct answer. Okay, everyone? Just count the digits after decimal point. and in the answer, same number of digits should come after the decimal points. Yes, very easy. Yes, Gia, you are saying yes. Bhavya has a question. Beta, we will take the questions later on at the end of the session. Okay. Now this is one type of example. Number two, where we have got two different decimal points. Pay attention. 3.4 into 1. Now here, right now, forget the decimal point and do the multiplication as such. Come on, do the multiplication as routine only you can do it. So yeah, you can use box method, lattice method, or simple multiplication only, where 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Then 0 comes down here, 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3. Then you have to add them, which is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 carried over, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay? Yes, everyone? This is the answer. Yes, everyone has got the same answer. Multiplication easy, right? I don't have to teach you multiplication now. We have done lots of examples of multiplication. Yes, right? Now comes the important part. How many digits are there after decimal point? Here 1 and here also 1, right? So 2 in total. In total 2. Yes or no? In total 2. So we have to count 2 digits from the left. 1, right? And 2. 1 and 2. So the answer will be 4.08. Answer with what will be 4.08. Yes. Slope, Gia, correct it. There are 2 decimal points. Yes. Okay. So we have to count 2 digits from the left. Okay, everyone. Yes. Simple. Just count the decimal points in the sum. Total decimal points. Okay. And then same number of digits have to be counted from the left. Okay. Very easy examples. Yes. Okay, everyone. Yes, good. Let's do one more example, right? We are going to the next one, number 3. Now pay attention. 4.28 into 0.8. Now this type of examples can also come. Okay. All you have to do is count the decimal points. Yes, we will have to count the digits after the decimal points. Okay, we have to count the digits after decimal points. So let's do the multiplication first. Very easy. 8 8s are 64. So 4 comes down here and 6 up here. 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22. 2 carried over. 8 4s are 32 plus 2, 34. Okay, how many we have got? 4 digits now. Now decimal points, there are 2, and how many digits after decimal point? After the decimal point, 1 and 2 here and 1 here. So total 3. Total 3. Yes, Rishi, are you with me? Yes, good. There are 3. Okay, Shanvi, Siddhi, getting it? Yes. Come on. Why didn't you do it 2 in the first? We will take that question. Okay. Yes. Total digits 3, 1, 2 and 3. Yes. 2 here, 1 here. So total 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Answer is here. Easy. All you have to do is do the multiplication as such and count the digits after decimal point. Yes. Everyone, are you with me? Come on. Give me a thumbs up if you have understood so far. Very good. Aryan, did you get me? Come on. Yes. So many thumbs up. Good to see. Good to see. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. Let's do some more examples and it will make it clear. Right? Number 4. Number 4 we are going to do. Now pay attention. 1.28 into 1.36. Do the multiplication. Okay, it's easy. Yes, Gia, very good. Now you have to do the multiplication here. Now you can go for either for box method or by lattice method or by direct multiplication also. Anything is fine. I'm going to go for regular multiplication. 6 8s are 48, so 4 8 here and 4 carried over. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 4 16, so 1 16 here, 1 carried over. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. Okay, now multiplication with 3, so you have to put 0 first. 3 8s are 4, and since these are done, let me put cross. 3 8s are 24 and 2 carried over. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 1s are 3. Then multiplying with 1, so 2 zeros, and we know 1 multiplied by any number is going to be the same number, so I can directly put it here. So addition, 8, 6 plus 4 10, so 1 carried over. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 8 24, 2 carried over. 3 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, and we have got 1 here. So what is the multiplication answer? 18,408. Now count the digits after decimal points in total and tell me. Come on. Bhavya, count the number of digits after decimal points in total. Yes, come on. How many are there? 2 or 4? That is the confusion. 2 or 4? Come on, everyone. Yes, correct, Shivani. Very good. Yes, 4. So in the answer, you have to count 4 digits from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And put 0 point here. You got your answer? Yes, Bhavya? Is it clear now? Okay, good. No more questions, right? Very good. Very good. Very easy examples. Yes? Yes? Very good. Gia, we will take the questions after 11:45. Till then, you have to keep on trying. Okay? Yes, Jeet? All easy? I'm sure Jeet is finding these easy examples. Yes, Jeet? Very easy. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Nirja, we will take the question later on. Put your hand down. Yes? Okay, Anya? Is it clear? Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's take one more example. 1.8408. Yes, correct answer. Very good. Let's do one more example. Number 5. 3.08 multiplied by 0.8. You find me the answer for this one. Is it? Okay. Sorry. Hold on a second. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0 here, 1 carried over. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is 24. So 4 here, 2 carried over. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes, sorry. My bad. I made a mistake here. I made a mistake here. Addition mistake. See, this is what happens. 2 here. So 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7. Thank you for correcting me. Yes. Silly mistakes. Yes. And in decimal multiplication, this is what it is going to, that is what is going to happen. Yes, Siddhi, your answer was correct only. I made a mistake there. I'm sorry. Yes, thank you, Gia. I thought you were asking a question. All right. Yes, come on, everyone. So let's do the next example. Yes, solve this on your own. I'm not going to help you here. Come on. Very nice, Nirja. Good job. Come on, solve this. Yes, Mahir. Tell me. Yes, Dvij had a question. Yes, Dvij.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Mhm.
how will we put point there?
You have to
Decimal
see.
point.
You have to see how many digits are there after decimal point in the problem, right? Here, how many digits are there in this sum? What you see on the screen?
3.
3. So in the answer, whatever multiplication answer is there, you have to put the decimal point before 3 digits from the left. Okay, all you have to do is multiply this one 308. Hold on a second. 308 multiplied by 8. So 308 is 2400 and 8 are 64. What am I doing here? Mental math multiplication. Okay,
Sir,
so multiplication answer is 2604. Now count number of digits 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3.
2.464.
Correct. Done. Good job. See? Yes. Okay. Yes. Any more questions? Does anyone have a question now? I don't think so, because initially it looks like, okay, this is too much. Multiplication is a bit difficult. But if you remember that it is very easy. How it is easy? Do the multiplication without a decimal, right? Forget decimal point is there first. Then do the multiplication, and in the last you have to remember, okay, there were some decimal points, so total digits after decimal points same should be there in answer, right? And it will be added if the multiplicants have decimal points, then they will be added. Yes, yes, Mahir, advance में happy wala birthday. Okay. Yes, tomorrow I don't have a class, so I won't be able to wish you. Okay, right? So advance me happy wala birthday. All right, everyone. Any more questions? Kavya, what is that? What did you just type to me? I have no idea. Okay. Yes, everyone. Does anyone have a question? Shanvi, Siddhi, Shivani? No questions? Wonderful. So from the, there were two instead six. What? What is that, Jia? Sorry. Akshat wants to talk. Akshat, yes. Yes. Yes, Akshat.
Sir, in this fifth one, I don't understand.
Which one, beta?
In this fifth one.
In the fifth one, it is simple multiplication, beta. First, you have to multiply 8 8s are 64. So 4 comes down here and 6. 8 zeros are 0, 6 as such. 8 3s are 24. Now, how many digits are there after decimal point? In this one, 2. In this one, 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. And we have to count the 3 digits from the left. So 3 digits. Okay? All right. Yes, Rishi, you have a question?
Sir, please, if possible, you can send some worksheets.
Worksheets. Beta, worksheets are there plenty in this workbook of ours, right? You solve that. Okay. We will be taking some examples on Saturday. Okay. Right. All right. Yes, Gia. You want to say something now? Gia. Yes, Gia.
Sir, I put 2 instead of 6 by mistake. I was
that yes, that happens. Sorry beta for the mistake, है ना? It happens. Okay, all right everyone, so I want you to practice on your own. Do lots of practice, because in multiplication that is always a problem. Okay, and now one more small thing. 1.1 into 1.1, then 1.11 into 1.11, 1.111 into 1.111. You have to solve this example. These 3 examples is your homework. Okay, this is fun exercise. Do it. Okay Rishi, you asked for it so now you are getting it. Okay, जिसको भी गुस्सा आता है कि सर ने एक्सरसाइज ज्यादा दे दी, ऋषि को पकड़ करके मारना. Okay, right everyone, and I'm going to give you one more example. I want you to observe, right? Solve karo और observe करना. Okay, Jia, yes, you have a question. Yes Jia.
Sir, sir, in the multiplication of 2.3 multiply by 8 question.
Yes.
So 1 minute. Where did it go?
Okay, later on, right? And one more example I'm going to give you as homework. Okay, be very careful with this one. Okay, number 7, 1.534 into 1.23. Okay, this number 7, example number 7 is a special one. Okay, now same example, 15.34 into 1.23. Fill in the blanks. Okay, then 153.4 into 1.23. Okay, then 1534 into 1.23. Then 1.534 into 12.3 and 1.534 into 123. Okay, yes Rishi, everyone say thank you Rishi. Okay, you asked for more practice, so here you have got lots of practice. Okay, come on everyone. Now this one, it's a very interesting and very funny exercise. Once you solve all these examples, you will realize that what is happening here. Okay, Jia, Rishi cannot see your chat message, only I can see. Okay Jia, right everyone, come on. Yug, Jalu, Manvi Modi, Devashri, Shanvi, Priyal. Yes, lots of exercise you have got today. And we will see this on Saturday. Okay, the answers are very easy. The answers, only one time you will see this and then it becomes very easy. Let me give you a hint. The numbers are not changing in question number 7, right? The numbers are not changing. So the multiplication answer will not change. Only the position of decimal point will change. That is the hint for you. Okay, only the position of decimal point, right? So what you have to do is, everyone, Do the multiplication only once. Do the multiplication only once. Okay, you have to multiply 1534 into 123. It's a big multiplication example. Okay, yes, and then just change the position, count the digits after decimal points, total digits after decimal points, and put the decimal point same way in the final answer, right? The first example will be difficult. You will have to do it the first time properly, and then the rest is mental math. Okay, so enjoy this example. Yes, Shivan, it is very easy. Okay, everyone, that's it for the day. Does anyone have a question? Last, we have got 1 minute left. Does anyone have a question? Jia has a question. Yes, Jia?
Sir, I remember my question. I was telling that in the multiplication first one, 2.3 multiplied by 8. Then in the question 2, we did two numbers before point.
Yes.
Then why didn't we do it in the first one?
See, in the first one,
There are two numbers.
there is only one decimal, one digit after the decimal point. Okay, 2.3 only. But in the second example, there are two digits after decimal point, 3.4 and 1.2. So two decimal points, two digits after decimal points. Yes, and that is why we have to count them two. Total. Always remember to do the total. Okay. Yes, Dhwani wants to ask question, but I'm not sure it will disconnect. Jaldi. Wait. Yes.
Can you send the recorded session?
Yes, it will be on YouTube. Like and comment. Okay, always. Okay. Bye bye everyone. That's it for the day. See you on Saturday.